Hey everybody, it's Jim with Touring and Trails. If you're new to the channel, we camp, and we camp a lot. So this week, since it's getting so hot already, we're going to show a couple of options that we recently purchased to cool down on them dog days of summer. This weekend we're actually at the house, aka the trailer park. Called that for obvious reasons. Reason being, while we were home this weekend, I tweaked my back a little last weekend, so I'm just going to take it easy, rest a little bit so we can get right back on it. But without further delay, let's look at our first option to cool down. All right, first up comes from the as seen on TV option. You know, that weird aisle that's got all them crazy gadgets. We're going to try this one before you spend your hard-earned money. It's the Arctic Air Ice Jet. It's tiny, compact, works off of a USB-C power adapter. Cool, quiet, and powerful. So how does this work? Let's dive in. All right, so this Arctic Jet looks cool. We've all seen it. Comes with these little ice packs. Top opens up. Slide these dudes in there. After filling them up and freezing them, of course. And that's it. Now we need to plug in the cord and see if it's going to cool me down. All right, so first and foremost, the cooler's not a prop. It has cold snacks in it. And on a warm day like this, nothing finer than a shiner. Ha ha. This one's for everyone. Ooh, that's cold. Delish. All right. We got power. It's time to fire this dude up. So a couple of things. Your power button's right up front. And it's got these LED lights, so you can change all that. But I'm gonna put blue because I want to feel cool. You can adjust where it's aimed at. It's got 3 different speeds. I want all the power right at the face. I need that to be right here, actually. Even better. That's why they have the box. Perfect. So, yeah. Personal cooling fan, it's not bad. You do have to be right up on it. So, do I recommend this? If I'm right on it, it feels really good. Same. If I recline, I can't feel a thing. If I'm on it, it's cool. It's a gadget. If I'm inside the camper, want to be a little extra cool, maybe. Save your money. That's my recommendation. Save your money. All right, here it is. This brand is Hess Air, 900 CFM, 2.8 gallon, high velocity cooling fan. Filled with ice for maximum cooling. Cool air anywhere. Look at that. This looks pretty cool. So we're gonna get this thing unboxed. I got this idea from 2 of my bushwhacker friends. Michael, I seen yours, and I also seen Misty's. One was this gray color, the other was yellow. Bought it from Home Depot. Sure, you can find something similar on Amazon, but they're like $109 at Home Depot, and that's in $25. Delivered to my house, no delivery fee. So I thought that was pretty awesome. A couple of other things that make this great for camping. So yeah, you've got a cooling pan, hot air comes in, fan, water reservoir, cool mist air. The big thing I was wanting to point out was 17.6 pounds. That's lightweight. Even with as screwed up as my back is right now, I have no problem lugging this dude around. So anybody can pick it up, move it, and the size is not bad. So camping, perfect. Let's fire this up, get this thing out of the box. I'm excited. Instructions, you know what to do with that. All right. That to the side. Nicely packaged. Pick that up later. It's got a go handle. Ooh, nice. Love go handles. That's it. It is compact. Nice looking unit. Yosemite Sam lives next door to me, so you have to excuse them. All right, let's take a closer look. All right. Fan control, you got 2 speeds with the water flow, 2 speeds without, and the 1 water drop, I'm going to assume that's going to soak everything up before the fan's even on, so you can get that pad all good and wet. You got a couple of latches, so we can get this thing open. All right, there you have a container in the bottom with a pump. Just remember, never run a pump dry, so always have water in it. Goes without saying, but I know. Okay, I'll just latch it down. Yeehaw! So, area to put your water in. And I'm gonna load it up with ice too, if I got any ice in the freezer. Pretty compact. There's the cooling pad in the back. All right, let's do it to it. Always remember, practice safety with water and electricity. You don't want to get zapped. All right. Power it up. Turn this around to face me. Ooh, it's a good go handle. All right, got my trusty power supply, Opus, the power plant. All right. All right, come here, come here. All right, pump's working. Everything's flowing. Let's kick the fan on. With water. On high. Because I'm hot. All right. Now we're talking. You've also got a reservoir level that you can see from the outside. I'm pretty low on the water, but not too low. All right, I gotta admit, this is great. I needed it too. See how red my face is right now? I'm so warm. Whew, we're not used to hot weather yet. Ready or not, it's here. This thing is great. It would be even greater if I had more ice. So most of my ice is chilling down beer, which is fine. I would prefer to buy a bag of ice and fill that whole cavity down there along with water, and it would feel like air conditioning, honestly. So this is pretty awesome. I give the Hess Air a big thumbs up, and I'm going to be using this a whole lot this summer. Oh, what a game changer.